Hey guys, guess what? I got an edit sale delivery in this box. Now FabFitFun seems to put them in brown boxes. I don't know if they're just trying to conserve or what, because used to we would get our packages in one of their FabFitFun boxes. But with these smaller orders, I guess they're getting a little bit more cost saving and shipping them out in these brown boxes, which is okay as long as I get my product. And this is Miss Jackie Russell. Welcome to my channel, and I'm glad to have you here. And if you're new here, I hope you like what you see and you decide to subscribe, hit that notification bell. And what else? Oh yeah, you can hit the like button too if you like it. But we're going to show you what I got in my edit stuff. Edit sales with FabFitFun are fabulous. You really do get a great savings, and their regular subscription is like $249 a year, and you get 4 boxes a year, one each quarter, and you get to pick everything in your box. And when you're an annual member, you get to get everything first. You get to customize first, you get the edit sales first, you get a lot of perks there. And anyways, I'm an annual member. If you don't want to do that and you want to go quarter to quarter, it's $79.99. Where when you buy it by the annual, you're actually saving about $15 a box, because I think it's like around $64.99. So something to consider. It's a great value because most everything, even a regular box, if you picked everything on the low end, you'd probably still get a $200 value. So you can be from $200, $300, all the way up to $500 or $600, $700, depending on what they're showing and the value that they put on it. Okay, that's enough chat on what you can do with FabFitFun. Let's get in and find out how fun my box is going to be. Okay, I just bought a few things, but it still cost around probably $70-something. I did go and buy my Leamy Chill. They had a set for $30 or $39. I got the Leamy Greens, and I got the Leamy Focus. Now, I just finished a bottle of the Leamy Focus and the Leamy Greens. Have I finished this too? I'm almost done with this. Now, I have been taking this at night with my melatonin, and I'm even sleeping better. It's a de-stress. So I thought, now you can use these too if you have a real stressful day and you want to just, chill out. They'll help you with that because it has passion flower and lemon balm. And it also has clinically studied ashwagandha. And that is really good too for like stress and everything. And here's the ingredients. And if you buy this from Leamy, it's $30. That's the regular price of each of these. So all 3 of these would have been a $90 value, but I got them for $39. So I saved just about half. Well, actually, I saved more than half. I saved about 70%, I guess, or 65%. I don't know. Don't get me to lying. But anyway, I saved. So I got all 3, and I have been using them, and they all work. And here's your, is this the greens? Here's your ingredients on the greens. And it's all organic, and I really like that. And then the focus is right here, and that's using clinically studied, how do you say that? Choline and lion's mane with B12. So you get some good vitamins in that, as well as some herbs that helps you with focus. And some days I just get so distracted. I need some focus in my life. Focus. We want our camera to focus, but more than anything, we want our brain to focus when we got a lot to do. Now, the next thing I got was some Molton Brown, and I got some shampoo. And I'm not sure what scent this is in. I think it's Coastal. And it is shampoo and conditioner, Cypress Sea Fennel. And I have the Spa with bergamot and orange bath gel. I already repurchased, remember? Well, I'm going to give this a try and see what I think. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. I was a little bit concerned, but I want to see how their shampoo does. Now, most of the time I use She or Chi, however you want to say it, and I use the infrared shampoo and conditioner. That's what's on my hair today in their heat oil, infrared oil. I don't know if they call it oil, but it's heat treatment oil. Oh, that smells good too. So now I'm going to try this out and see how it does with my hair. But we'll see. I may go right back to my She. That is my favorite. But I do try out different ones. And I thought because their gel was so nice, I would try out their shampoo and conditioner. And I recently got, I can't remember what it's called. I got it down my Trend Move box. And it had, oh, what's the name of that? I can't remember. I'll try to write it across there. And it has a shampoo and conditioner. I used it. It's for treated hair, and it worked really good. So I'm going to use that up. It did work. Now, the last thing that I got was Patrick Ta. Now, this was a choice in our winter box, and I didn't make it. And I didn't want to pay, I think it was $15 or maybe $18 to upcharge. Well, I'm glad I didn't, because then I found this in the edit sale for 15 bucks. So I think it's like a $38 value, maybe more than that. But, oh, and this here was $22 for the both of them, so $11 each, and they're normally $38 each. So I think I got a really good value on the Molton Brown, because that's expensive. And then the Ta, Patrick Ta, I don't know if it's overly expensive or not, but, you know, anytime you can get a deal, it's worth it. And they only had the one color, so I'm getting the Major Volume Plumping Gloss Duo. And what scent is it in? I don't know if it says what scent it's in, but it looks purpley, so I'm thinking that's what I have, is the purple. Well, let's see if I can get in this box. These boxes are hard to get into, guys. I guess that's good, because if it's on display, you know, I hate to say it, but, you know, there is theft out there, and people take things, and they shouldn't, but they do. And that's probably why the packaging is harder to open, because, you know, it make a lot of noise, and they can hear that somebody's getting into it. But this is a plumping duo, and then you've got this rich color, and it's an oil, so that's, oh, that looks plummy, so I like that. And then we have this one, and it's more lilac color. Does it have a color? It's called Headlines. That's the name of it, but it's kind of like a lilac. So very light. I'll put this on the bottom. It's got a nice scent. And then I'm going to put this on the top. And it's that plummy one. So you can see it does have a little color to it. I can feel that it's plumping. Yeah. And it just blends right in. But I got my Patrick Ta, so I got to get some of that for $15 in the edit sale. And I know many of y'all have asked me about the Leamy. And yes, every Leamy product that I've tried, they work well. And I've been repurchasing them when they're on sale through the edit sale. Because you can't get it. Even Amazon, even on Black Friday, the most you'd get off of this is 25%. And I'm practically getting 50% off or more. So, I mean, it's worth the value on stocking up. So that is my FabFitFun little edit sale. And everything I got, I can really use, and I need, so to speak, like the vitamins. And of course, I can use shampoo and conditioner. This I probably didn't need. It was a big want. And I might have liked the other color selection, but I think I'm gonna like this selection because I don't have too many things these colors, and I have lipsticks these colors, so that ought to work out really good. But you let me know, do you have a favorite of everything that I got? I got the Molton Brown, and this is Cypress. And I guess that's why I wasn't sure if I'd like it or not. It's Cypress and Sea Fennel. But it smells good, so I think I am going to like it. And you can just push this down and squeeze it out. So I like that, and it says it's for all hair types. So I'll enjoy using it. I'll let y'all know how it works. And I can still feel this stinging, so it's not like burning. It's just a light little tingle, and it's plumping up my lips, and I like that. So, and of course I got the Leamy here, but that's my box, that's my edit, FabFitFun, and they'll probably have sales throughout the end of the year, and before you know it, we'll have our spring box coming out, probably at the end of January, I'm not kidding. But anyways, I hope you all are doing good. Let me know in the comments again which one is your favorite. Have you gotten your winter box, and what did you think about it? And don't forget to go watch mine and Carol's FabFitFun battle. We just put it out last Thursday. It'll be open for 2 weeks. And I have a Temu collaboration that I'm in with hostesses Trisha's house and the Loving Klutzes, and that's Trisha and Laurie. So I would thank them again. Y'all go check that out. There's 13 channels, and we've got lots of things in there that you can find from Temu, including this necklace I have on and this shirt I can hardly show y'all unless I raise this shirt up, but it's the heart leopard shirt. And of course you could probably find this jacket on there. I just don't know if they still have it, but they probably do. Just look under fleece or sweat shirt, or I don't know what you'd look under. If I can find the link, I'll put it in this video down in the bottom. But anyway, that's all I have for this FabFitFun edit. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.